Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate location text on this device camera. So first we should go into the camera application and then click here on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and here you'll see the location text switcher. Just to activate the location text, you should here activate the switcher, and now we'll go back to the camera here. Now I'll show you the photos here without the location text. And now we'll go back here into the camera, and when we'll take a picture, for example this one, you can see that we have now here the location, but we just activate the location text. So what's the problem? You should activate the location on your device in your device settings. So first, when you want to activate the location text, be sure that the location on your device is activated. And now we'll go here into the settings, click here into the location section and activate location on your device. And now when we'll go back here into the application, and here we got in the settings activated the location text, and now when we'll take the picture here, we can see that the location here is activated on our photo. So as can you see here, we have no location text, and here we got the location text in Krakow main square. So that's it. That's how to activate location text on our Honor 50 Lite camera. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.